Yo, just when I thought Nexus Rewards couldn't get any better, they went and did this. What's up? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, if you haven't heard of Nexus Rewards yet, and you are somebody who is serious about making a monthly income online, you are watching the right video. Now, Nexus Rewards is a cashback and savings membership site that allows people the ability to earn multiple streams of income from one membership. Now, one of the primary ways to make money with Nexus Rewards is by referring people to the Nexus Rewards opportunity. So you pretty much earn a $10 monthly commission for everybody who joins Nexus Rewards and become a premium member at only $22 a month. So you pretty much getting 50% commissions from Nexus Rewards. But something that I just love about this opportunity is you actually earn from your referrals all the way down 10 levels deep. So the earning potential of this opportunity is crazy. And I love it because Nexus Rewards is one of the easiest opportunities to promote because you're promoting saving. You're promoting, getting cash back whenever you shop on and offline. You are basically making money, showing people how to save money. And come on, man, who can't promote that? So keeping it real, I like the way Nexus Rewards is structured. I love the way it makes it so easy to earn multiple streams of income because you actually earn money from you using the apps inside of Nexus Rewards. You earn money from when your referrals use the apps inside of Nexus Rewards. You earn money from your referrals just by them being a premium member. You earn money from your referrals and all of that. But Nexus Rewards was like, nah, it ain't enough. We gotta make it even easier for people to make money, right? We gotta make it where people can make even more money from this opportunity. So recently they just added a fundraiser division to Nexus Rewards. And this is so damn dope. All right, now listen, I'm getting off track. I'm getting off script. But if you're watching this to the point in this video and you are one of the people who are serious about making money online, this is one of the best opportunities, trust me. All right. So what they did was now you have a fundraiser link whenever you become a premium member. Now this is only for premium members, right? To be able to earn affiliate commissions and stuff like that. So they just created it where you can approach nonprofit organizations who have fundraisers, right? Anyone who raises money for whatever cause, right? Whether it be, animal adoption, whether it be, feeding the hungry or, different diseases and stuff like that. So now you can approach these organizations with this fundraising opportunity that can bring them in money every single month. So you might be thinking, okay, well, how is that going to work with the fundraising thing and nonprofits? It's not like the nonprofits is not going to pay to be a premium member, right? Because they're trying to raise money, not spend money. But this is where Nexus Rewards is just it's too good, right? So whenever you get an organization to sign up for Nexus Rewards, right, it's absolutely free for the organization to sign up. So the organization does not have to pay a $22 monthly membership, right? It's free for them. So now the organization will have their own fundraising page that they can promote and send out to people on their list or promote on their social media or business cards or whatever. And whenever people join the fundraiser, right, they pay the $22 a month. So out of the $22 membership that the supporter pays, $10 of that is going to go to the nonprofit organization helping whatever cause they're into, whether it be, like I said, animals or hunger or diseases or whatever the charity's about. We actually don't earn anything off of the membership from the nonprofit organization, but where we do earn is from the supporters that actually support the organization, the people that actually decide to join Nexus Rewards and supporting that organization. They actually fall into our network, all right? And this will actually help us earn more money overall as Nexus Rewards premium members. So to make a long story short, you can now start approaching fundraising organizations to help grow your own Nexus Rewards business. So this just makes it a lot easier and more versatile to make money with this opportunity. And like I said, I was cool even before the fundraising opportunity, but now this just takes things to another level and opens up a whole nother income stream. So I'm even more excited about being a Nexus Rewards member and building a long-term residual income. Now, if you are excited like me and you are ready to join the Nexus Rewards team, all you got to do is click the first link in the description of this video. And once I see that you all signed up, I will personally reach out to you and help you get everything set up so you can start building your monthly income too. So I will see you on the team.